We're here in their shop today with our Fastback Mustang project, and we're looking to make it a little more modern with a set of wheels from JEGS. So right now our Mustang project has a 14-inch steel wheel with a pretty tall sidewall tire. It's a good 60s look. If you're looking for kind of that resto mod, old-timey look, that's perfect. But for us, we want to upgrade the performance and the look of our vehicle. That 14-inch wheel limits us with our brake options, so we can only go to like maybe an 11-inch rotor. Not real big, not these days when we're talking 14, 16-inch, 4-piston options. These 17.7 wheels are going to allow us to get that big brake in that space. So we're going to be looking at two different wheel options today for our Ford Mustang from JEGS. These wheels are one-piece aluminum construction. The first one's going to be the SSR Spike. We have those in 3 different finishes. This one right here is a polish. We've also got a polished with black accents and then a wheel with a black lip as well. And then we're also going to be looking at a set of resto rod wheels that are in chrome. It's 2 different looks, so I think it's going to give us some options as to what we like best on our Mustang. The car's a dark color, as you can see, so we might want to add a little bling with the polished wheel. It's got black and polished chrome wheels on it now, so we might find that we pivot and we like a wheel with a little bit of black finish on there. So we're going to try them all out and we're going to see what we like best. So from this view, you could really see the difference in size between our 2 tires. This is a 195/70/14. This is a 245/45/17. So as you can see, it's a lot wider, it's a lot taller, less sidewall, better performance all around. So we got all our lug nuts started finger tight to make sure we don't cross thread anything. Then I've ran them on with the impact and just lightly tightening them using the star pattern so it sets in there nice and flush against the hub. We're going to tighten these to spec after we get the car on the ground using a torque wrench. So initial impressions on the polished 10 spokes, I really like them, especially on this darker color. It really pops against the contrast against the dark paint and the polished bright wheels, and it makes some of the other chrome pieces on the car pop. I think they look really good. I have a feeling that the polished with the black highlights are going to tend to dye that down a little bit. Let's see what they look like. So the suspension still has to settle a little bit, so it's a little high. Quick drive around the block will solve that. First impressions on the polished wheels with the black accents, we'll call them. I like it. It mutes the whole polished wheel. It kind of makes it die down a little bit, so they're not as bright, but I still like the polished ones, so my mind's not made up yet. Black caps, black lug nuts kind of complement it. This one's all polished. Hard to say. All right, so our third set of wheels that we're trying on our Mustang, these are JEGS resto rod wheels. They're 17.7s. They're a chrome finish, so they're super shiny, super durable finish, easy to maintain. You could just spray them with some quick detailer and wipe them off. I think they look really good if you're doing a car, a late 50s, early 60s style muscle car. This is like a cool modern version of like your traditional Krager 15-inch 5-spoke chrome wheel. Instead of 17s, a little bigger, you could put a bigger brake behind it, but it still has that kind of traditional 60s vibe. I kind of like a little darker wheel, a little more color, which brings us to our last set. This is option number 4 of the different wheels that we chose. And if I'm honest, this wasn't the wheel that I thought would be my favorite, but now that I got it on the car, I actually really like the look. The Fastback Mustang, it's kind of toned down. There's not a lot of bling going on. I feel like less is more on this car, and this wheel is definitely that statement. I really like them on this car. I think it really looks good. Really kind of surprised with the results. I didn't think this was going to be my favorite wheel, but it just goes to show you that you never really know until you have them on your car, which is why like a wheel visualizer is really helpful. For more wheel ideas like this, check out jegs.com.
JEGS.